Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang eating kind of video. So today I'm going to be doing the chicken nuggets, the spicy chicken nuggets that just came out from McDonald's, and the new double quarter pounder cheeseburger. Comes in a box like this, and it's limited edition, so grab it while you can if you like quarter pounders. And then I got 20 chicken nuggets because I'm going to be sharing it with the kids as well. So I've got some in there, and the box is orange. They look orange because I have everything on the plate. The lighting's a bit bright today. Wow. Let me try and fix that. So, got some chips, the quarter pound, double quarter pounder, and nuggets. Let's try. Can't wait. I want to try it by itself. Oh, and I got a little drink. Got 4 dips. This is sort of a review as well, case test kind of video, because one of my subscribers told me to try it out. Okay, already the colour is just the only difference I tasted so far. It does have a slight kick on the tongue without the dip, because I heard the dip is spicy. So I've got 4 spicy dips here to try. It's not too spicy by itself. It's tolerable, and I can see why, because in England we don't really allow, not even hot Cheetos they allow over here. So I know that they wouldn't make it too spicy because some people might complain. So I can see why they separate the spiciness, the dip as well. But some people like spice, you know. I'm hungry today, guys. I'm pregnant, so I'm always hungry. Got some fluff on my nose from when I was using baking, like doing a little makeup. Well, I think that they didn't make it too spicy on purpose. I don't know, but I expected a little bit more kick. Alright, let's try it with some of this spicy tomato dip. This is what they look like. A bit orangey. I think it's just the seasoning. Probably paprika they put in this. Let's try with some of this dip. Wow. Now it's spicy. The spicy tomato sauce is really spicy. Wow. My nose starting to sweat. It's even nice with chips, that sauce. Okay. So the chips make these chicken nuggets, okay? Without this dip, I mean the dip make the chicken nuggets. Without it, it's not spicy, but tastes great with it. Ooh. I'm saving these sauces, they're so good. They're not like the chili cheese bites dip at all. The chili cheese one tastes more like a salsa. This is that hot sauce with ketchup. My nose is actually sweating. But this is the last one, then I tried a quarter pounder. Tastes just like normal chicken nuggets, but they're just a little bit kick, like a jalapeno kick, but then this sauce comes with it. That gives it another kick, so both of them together just, it works well together. Okay. Double quarter pounder, 2 meat. Probably call this a half pounder if anything. Give it a bite. It's gonna be the same, it's just gonna be thicker. Let's pour some of this sauce on it. Spicy tomato on it and see. It's way better with the spicy tomato sauce in it. This spicy tomato sauce is a lifesaver, okay? I don't like spice, but it's not too spicy. It's tolerable, if you know what I mean. I don't know if my kids would eat this chicken nuggets. They're probably just like the normal ones. This is a lot of meat. Here are my napkins. One more chicken nugget and then wow. Okay. Quarter pounder is nice. My nose is sweating, guys. This spice is not, I mean, this sauce is not a joke. Okay? I'm starting to sweat. This is just like the normal quarter pounder, just that it's got 2 beefs in it. And it definitely started filling my belly already. So, it's nice. But extra nice with the spicy sauce. I got some Coke with Sprite here. Sprite doesn't taste the same anymore. Actually, most juice don't taste the same anymore because of this sugar ban or sugar tax. So you might be buying your favourite drink in the UK and thinking, why doesn't it taste the same? Pickles. Oh. I only ate 4 chicken nuggets and it's really good. Right, so out of 10 I'll give the chicken nuggets on its own 5 out of 10 because there's not really that much of a difference to the normal one, just the colour that's different. And it had the spice to it, this dip. It goes to a 9. The quarter pounder, I'll definitely give it, I don't know, 8.5 out of, 10. because it's a double, and you know it's gonna fill you up, and it's just a bit advanced than the normal one, you know. So yeah, if you're really hungry, this will hit the spot, because right now I don't think I can finish this, but I'll take one more bite because I see the pickles and some hot sauce. Okay, but I did pretty good. But this is a good little snack. I'm not sure if it's limited edition, but yeah. I'll give it 8.5 or 9 out of 10. So yeah, McDonald's is trying, you know. I think they're trying. A little bit tastier, you know, more seasoning or something, but it's good. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in another video to try it out. Anything else, but also mukbang. If you try the quarter pounder or chicken nuggets, let me know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Oh, my belly's so full.